and welcome to Little Luxuries with Lynn, and I'm Lynn Marie. Today we're going to be opening up two different boxes from Ipsy. One is their Glam Bag and the other is the Glam Bag Plus. Coming August, I will be getting my Glam Bag X, so I'm looking forward to that. I've been getting Ipsy for a lot of years. The Glam Bag is $12 a month and the Glam Bag Plus is $25 a month. So let's just get into them. Okay, so this looks to be the Glam Bag Plus. It says, stay golden. Okay. There's a lot in this bag, wow. I can't make a video without dogs barking, so I apologize. It's just gonna become part of my repertoire. I don't know if you can see inside here, but it's full of items. And then here is the card that talks about all the different items. Okay. Bronzing 101, okay. Well, no, this is talking about staying golden. I wonder if there is a bronzing product in here. Okay, well, we'll just start. So here, there looks to be a palette of some sort. Let's see. Basic Beauty. Right from the beginning, I see that it is cruelty-free, and that makes me very happy. Bronzy AF, okay. Okay, it is a bronzing palette. Those are some deep colors. I don't know how well I will work with them. This and my skin tone, I don't know about any of that. We'll see. But it is three different shades. I might be able to use one of them. Okay, next item in here is, looks to be another palette. Let's get this one open. Okay. Oh, and it looks like a disc. That's cute. Get it out and take a look. Your eyes only. Okay, here we go. Oh, these are some pretty colors. Oh, a lot of neutrals. I love the one right dead center. That's gorgeous. Let's get that good and close so you can see the different shades. Nice. All right, the next product we have is a Dr. Brandt. And it is a pore purifying cleanser. And that is a full-size product. That's nice. Beautiful. It says, with salicylic acid, tea tree oil, and white willow bark. That's good for people who have acne issues. Yeah. All right. And then, what is this? Brow Chow. I am not familiar with this brand at all. Brow Chow. I am going to assume a brow pencil with a brush at the end. All right, here. Probably one of these that the harder you push, the darker the color, so that it's a universal product. Nice. I mean, who can't use a brow product, right? Yeah. All right, we've got another little mini palette. Looks like a blush, I'm gonna guess. Now, I don't know how to say the name of this company. O-R-Y-Z-A. I don't know that one. Okay, so this product name is is O-R-Y-Z-A Beauty. Oriza? Okay, well look at this. This is a blush. This is gorgeous. Look at that. Isn't that beautiful? It looks like summertime to me. I like that. Nice. And then there's two more products here. And this is Beauty Stat Universal C Skin Refiner. 20% vitamin C. Brightens, retexturizes, and firms. Okay. And it looks like it is in a sealed bottle. You never want to use vitamin C out of a clear bottle. So this is a pump action. Very nice. Great. None of these products will be going to waste. That's for certain. And then the last item is another company I can't pronounce. Il Maquillage. Okay, no idea what's in here. It says black, that's all it says. So, and I think this is a cruelty-free company, if I remember correctly. Doesn't say it on here. But yeah, it's a mascara. Check out this wand. It's like just a comb. Yeah, just a comb. Very cool. I can't wait to try it. All right, so that was the Ipsy Glam Bag Plus. Let me make a little bit of room here, and then we can go into the Glam Bag. Now again, remember the Glam Bag Plus was $25. I know we got our money's worth. The vitamin C was probably easily $20 in itself. So now we want to get into the Glam Bag. Yep, this is the Glam Bag. Because here's the bag it's supposed to be fitting in, but it's so full it doesn't fit in the bag. All right, so we're gonna dig right through here. Wow. Okay. How many masks? This is Super Beauty Mask, Rose. And it looks like we've got a couple of them in here. Cute. Let's see. We'll open this up and see what we've got. Yeah, two of the same. Yeah, two of them. They're fantastic. Okay, and then we have a Pure Lease product, Matcha Green Tea Antioxidant Priming Moisturizer. Let's see what it looks like. Well, the tube is bright green. Green matcha tea. Okay. Priming moisturizer. Let's check it out. It's sealed. That's a good thing. Okay. It smells really nice. Oh, that's a very nice moisturizer. It smells fantastic. Wow. It's really fresh and clean. I would like to rub this all over my body. It smells that good. Wow. All right, and then we have a Tarte product. It is their Sugar Rush. It looks like a lip gloss. We'll open it up and check it out. What does it say? The name, because their names are always really interesting. Fresh Pressed. Not so interesting. Not this time. Okay. It looks to be, I'll show you up close here. It's like a peach color, but I'm betting it goes on clear. Yeah. Here we go. it smells fantastic. Wow. And it feels good. It's not real goopy. I thought by the looks of it, it was gonna be goopy. Not at all, it's really nice. But again, no color, just clear. Just a gloss, which is nice. All right, then we have a palette here. And just so you know, I'm taking everything out of bubble wrap. Each item is bubble wrapped for, you know, so that when you do get it, it's in one piece, especially these palettes. It's called Breakfast in Bed by Beauty Bakery. Okay, Breakfast in Bed. All right. If I can get it out. There we go. Let's see. Oh, wow. Those are dynamite. Wow, let me get this off here so I can show it to you so we don't get the glare. Those are some fabulous colors. Yeah, I like those. Very nice. This will not be going to my niece. This is gonna be for Auntie. Yeah, I'll be keeping this one. Okay, and then 2 more products. This is by Thrive. It's Lip Fuller Lip Liner by Cosmetics. Okay, a lip liner. And let's see what color it looks like. All right. I don't know, I've seen this product line around, but I don't know a lot about them. So here it is. It's like a nice berry color. See how shiny my hand is from that matcha tea moisturizer? Yeah, but this liner is beautiful. I'll definitely use this, especially in the fall. I wear more berries. Summer, I wear more pinks. Okay. So far, both of these have been a fantastic hit. And last but not least, most certainly not least, is Heavenly Skin It Cosmetics Makeup Brush. We're gonna take it out of here and see how nice and soft it is. Got my knife out so we can open this baby up. Okay. They are known for their brushes. I have lipstick on this hand, so we're putting it on this hand. It is like butter. I mean butter. Soft as silk. It just is amazing. But this I will use for foundation, liquid foundation. Nice though, very, very nice. Let me see if we can see. Normally they put, yep, Heavenly Skin, and it talks about their brush on here. Okay. Well, I know I got at least, out of both of these bags, it cost me $37. These brushes alone go for $40. Along with everything else that I opened up. Ipsy, you did it again. I keep thinking of canceling or postponing my subscription. Nope, not when I get palettes that look like this. I'll stay getting Ipsy. Well, thanks for hanging out with me. I'd love it if you give me a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button along with the little bell. Thanks for spending time with me, and you take care.